Everyone's familiar with the AR-15, but what if you could achieve just as good or better performance without shelling out nearly as much cash? Today, we're going to count down 10 rifles that blow the AR-15 away when it comes to price, performance, and overall value for money. The affordable, reliable rifles we'll be talking about are sure to run hard without breaking the bank. Number 1. Kel-Tec Su-16C. The Kel-Tec Su-16C is a compact light rifle, which was designed specifically for shooters who want a rifle that is portable without sacrificing power. The most distinguishing feature of the rifle is the true underfolding stock. This allows for shooting the rifle folded, which is unique to the C and D models. The rifle is also disassembled and folded in half. This makes it extremely portable. Weighing in at just 4.7 pounds unloaded, the Su-16C is made of high-strength, glass-reinforced Zytel polymer that is extremely light yet very durable. This rifle accepts standard AR-15 magazines. This gives a wide range of ammunition capability of 5 to 40 or more cartridges. The polymer tip folds into a bipod for stability. A full-length Picatinny rail is also standard. The 16-inch barrel is also threaded. This is completed by a long-stroke gas piston. This is an extremely versatile rifle. The cost is $679.99. Number 2. Century Arm Wazr 10. The Century Arms Wazr 10 is a tough and rugged AK-type rifle designed for AK fans who want a no-frills approach. The rifle is chambered for the 7.62 by 39mm cartridge. The Century Arms rifle boasts a gas-operated semi-automatic long-stroke piston layout with a 16.25-inch-long chrome-lined cold hammer-forged barrel. It makes it true to traditional AKMs thanks to a stamped steel receiver. This rifle also comes with adjustable iron sights and a standard AKM-style side optic mounting bracket. What makes this rifle outstanding is the inclusion of the Century Arms Ray K1 Enhanced trigger group. This feature enhances the rifle by offering a clean trigger pull with no issues of trigger slap as seen in older versions of imported rifles. Overall, the rifle also comes with traditional wooden furniture for a classic look. Accessories on the rifle include a bayonet lug, slant brake, and 30-round magazine. Number 3. Ruger Mini 14. The Ruger Mini 14 is a classic semi-automatic rifle that combines old-school looks with new-school functionality. The gas-operated action with a rotating bolt is miniaturized from the proven M1 Garand and M14 designs. The modern version features a cold, hammer-forged barrel, greatly increasing its life and precision over its predecessors. The rifle is also furnished with a guarded front blade sight and ghost ring rear aperture sight for fast and accurate target acquisition. Integral scope mounts and included rings simplify optics mounting. Some feature a scope rail already drilled and tapped into position. The chambering of 5.56 NATO/.223 rem provides a range of ammunition choices, though Ruger factory mags should be used for optimal reliability. Number 4. PSA-KS-47. The PSA-KS-47 hybrid rifle incorporates the strengths and best features from the world's two most popular and successful combat rifles, the AR-15 and AK-47. The KS-47 is a 7.62 by 39mm cartridge hybrid rifle economically priced and known for its performance, even when compared to more expensive rounds and the associated cost of ammunition. The KS-47 will accept standard AK pattern magazines and come with one of the most reliable magazine designs ever created, and now features Gen 2's ambidextrous paddle magazine release. The KS-47 still maintains all the comfortable and familiar components of the AR-15 platform when feeding from AK pattern mags, but with PSA's modified bolt and barrel extension for increased reliability from the 7.62 by 39 round. The KS-47 is a hybrid, offering the customization and configuration ability of a standard AR-15 rifle. Number 5. Ruger PC Carbine. The Ruger PC Carbine is an all-round 9mm caliber firearm, known for being reliable, shootable, and most importantly, convenient. Its design boasts of an easily disassembled mechanism, as one merely has to press a lever to disconnect the barrel and action. Chambered in 9mm Luger, the firearm includes interchangeable magwells, compatible with both Ruger SR series pistols and Glock pistols, making it an ideal match for multiple sidearms. Its cold, hammer-forged, fluted barrel, 16.12 inches in length, is threaded 1/2 inch by 28 to incorporate most accessories. Dead blow, tungsten weight technology, minimizes overall recoil to make aiming much easier. As expected, ambidextrous safety triggers ensure utmost usability for every individual, along with ghost ring sights and a Picatinny rail to make optics installation hassle-free. Its MSRP is fixed at $799. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M and P15. Smith & Wesson's M and P15 is a reliable AR-15 type semi-automatic rifle that is both versatile and economical to use. Centerfire rifles use a gas-operated system with a rotating bolt and come standard with a 5.56 NATO/223 Remington chambering, although other chamberings exist. Some come with a 16-inch 4140 chromoly steel barrel as part of a 7075 T6 aluminum housing that has a hard anodized finish. There is also a 22 LR chambered version called the M and P1522 with a blowback system. Some have a 6-position stock for comfort, and with high-quality ammunition, they are reliable and modular and have attachments for other third-party AR parts available. The best in the sport line is a great entry-level rifle for newcomers to firearms and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. PTR-32 KFR. The PTR-32 KFR rifle, an extremely reliable 7.62 by 39mm caliber firearm, offers an impressive combination of traditional roller-delayed blowback design with modern features. Equipped with a semi-automatic action, with a heat-treated full auto bolt carrier assembly, combined with a powder coat exterior with parkerizing for durability, the PTR-32 KFR rifle features a 16.35-inch stress-relieved barrel with a tapered barrel contour, 1-to-10 twist, and a 5/8 24 thread pattern. The 7.5-inch steel Picatinny rail allows for rapid optics installation, while the slim profile polymer handguard enables comfortable handling without compromise. Weighing 9.3 pounds unloaded and measuring 38.5 inches long overall, the PTR-32 KFR rifle comes with a 30-round magazine, as well as a cable lock. Recognized for its enhanced potency, this rifle stands as an elite offering for the AK caliber family. Price: $1,739. Number 8. Brownell's BRN-180. The Brownell's BRN-180 is a modern piston-driven upper that reimagines the AR platform with enhanced reliability and flexibility. It uses a short-stroke gas piston system that runs cleaner and cooler than traditional direct impingement AR-15S. A major advantage is its bufferless design, with the recoil system fully contained in the upper, allowing the use of folding stocks and even firing while folded. The BRN-180 is compatible with any standard mil-spec AR-15 lower receiver, thus making it an easy upgrade. Commonly chambered in .223 Wild, it safely handles both .223 Remington and 5.56 NATO. A free-float M-Loke handguard and adjustable gas system further enhance performance, especially when running suppressed. That's our list of 10 rifles that beat the AR-15 for way less money. Whether you want reliability, simplicity, or pure value, these options prove you don't need to overspend. Drop a comment below with your favorite, hit that like if this helped you out, and subscribe for more honest gun content every single week so you never miss any future reviews.